Success means owning my time. I say the success to mean own my time. In the sense de me no que para mi tempo, tá como te llena mi tempo, como te gasta mi tempo, como te usa mi tempo, tá decided by no one else but me. So Dios te do nami limited amount of time. A mí que the next person could decide que me tas mi tempo. Not someone else. Not this not a company, no un team, no this, no that, no my mom, my dad, no nobody. Like me. I need to it's God and then me. But so this notion kunosa get accustomed in society pamane. Hende of whoever party po bisabu, your time is worth this. That's why we're gonna pay you this. Or that's why we're gonna make you do this within this time because you are not worth anything more than that. And those si book anything more than that, you have to work harder or you have to underhandle. It's like, hey yo dog, it's my time. Like it's my time. Why are you telling me what I'm supposed to do? The success for me looks like owning my time. The waki